How to remove DuckDuckGo search from Google Chrome. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you see a lot of DuckDuckGo search from Google Chrome, then simply open Google Chrome and then tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and a menu will appear. Here, tap on the settings option on the bottom of your screen, and from the left side toolbar, you will see the option for search engine. So tap on the search engine option and then tap on the change button you see there. And just in case if it is selected for Yahoo, Microsoft, Bing, then simply select the Google option and then tap on the set as default option you see there. And with this, Google will be your default search engine. So this was about how you can remove DuckDuckGo search from Google Chrome. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.